Hi dears, welcome back. This is our EVS class. Today we are going to learn and discuss about an interesting topic. Before that, I will show one picture, okay? Do you know who is he? Yes, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Very good years. Do you know about him? Yes, this is the biography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born in October 15, 1931. He is the chief scientific advisor. Then he is the first scientist president of India. Okay, he only found the atom bomb for India. Those days we don't have any atom bombs. If we want atom bomb, we have to give the money to the other countries, then we have to bought the auto bomb. So the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was think why we was doing like this, why not we are make the auto bomb like that. The other other countries peoples don't know the India ready to make the auto bomb like that. Then our Indians also don't know our India make the auto bomb. When the Bokran atom bomb blast, that time only the world and Indian peoples know, oh, our India is make the atom bomb like that. The all credits goes to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam only. He is the great man. He is the missile man of India. Then he like more student, okay. His soul was passed away when he was speaking in front of the students. Okay, do you know what is the date today? What? Check your calendar. Yes, today date is 27 July to 2020. Before 5 years, the great man, the missile man of India, passed away in 27 July 2050. Okay, the next one is Science Day. May 26 is celebrated as Science Day in Switzerland. Do you know why? What is the link between Science Day and May 26 and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? Yes, the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, when he stamped on the Switzerland country, that is celebrated as a Science Day. Okay, in Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam entered the Switzerland country on May 26. That's why the Switzerland government celebrated May 26 as a Science Day. Now we are proudly say we are the Indians. Okay. The next the Abdul Kalam cards is, I had a sparrow as a pet. It flew away one day. Then I had a squirrel. It ran away. Okay. But I planted a tree and they both came back. In this cards, the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says the importance of the trees. Okay. The next one is, what is your before that, the Arjuna tree is the friend to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay. Why? You have to search it. Why the Arjuna tree is the tree is friend to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, the next one is, what is our national tree? What is our national tree? Yes, banyan tree. Very good. What is our state tree? Yes, very good. What? Palm tree. Okay. The next one is, why trees are important? We say trees are important. We want to grow the tree. We don't cut the trees like that. Why? Why trees are important? Yes, because it's give the oxygen. Yes, very good. Yes, it's give the oxygen for us. Then it's absorb the carbon dioxide. Then it's give the fruits, vegetables. Yes, shade. Very good. Very good. Yes. Can you guess what is our topic today? Topic? Yes, the fourth chapter, the story of Amrita. Okay, are you ready to hear the story? This lesson is full of story. Yes. Once upon a time, there was a one village. Okay, the village name is Kejadli village. Do you know why the village name is Kejadli? Yes, it has one reason. What means? Because of the Kejadi tree. Okay, in the Kejadli village, the Kejadi tree grown more and more. That's why the village name is Kejadli village. Okay, do you know about this village? The village people has some special deeds. Okay, what means they have to follow the sentence agar ber hein to hum hein. What is the meaning, English meaning of this sentence means plants and animals can survive without us. Yes, very yes, plants and animals can survive without us, but we can't survive without them. The sentence indicates the importance of plants and trees and animals. Okay. The next one is Amrita's friend. Amrita is the heroine of the story. Okay. When the Amrita was small girl, not only Amrita, the all Kejadli peoples and childrens uh, playing under of the Kejadi tree. Okay. Um, After long years, the Amrita got married and she had two daughters also. One day, the village tree is in danger. How means the king told to the servants, we want to build a king palace. That's why we need more trees. So you should go to the village. Then you have to cut the good trees for the palace. Like that, the king told to the servant. The all servants obey the king voice. Then they have to reach the Kejadli village. Then the servants also started to cut the trees. Amrita watched this, what is happening in our village. Then she was very shocked. Then went out went out that place. Then he tightly hugged the trees. She and her daughters tightly hugged the trees. The servants are got very angry. Why are you doing like this? Why are you pestering me? This is my work. The kings told me we want to cut the trees for build the palace. So please go away from this place. I want to do my work like that. The servants are the woodcutters are strictly said to the Amrita. Then the all Kejadli village peoples come to that place. Then they also tied the trees very tightly. Each and everyone peoples hug the trees tightly. Then the servants get more angry. Then they are cutting the trees and cutting the peoples, cut the peoples also. The most of the peoples including Amrita and her daughters also die because of the trees. They ready to give their soul, give their life for the trees. And yeah, give the soul for trees. Okay. Then the information, the news is spreaded by the air. Then finally it's reached the king's ears. Then the king was very shocked, and suddenly it's come to the Kejadli village. It's came to the Kejadli village. Then he was very shocked. How it was possible? The all peoples ready to give their soul for the trees. Oh my god, like that the king was think. Then suddenly he make one rule: hereafter no one can cut the trees, and no one can hunt the animals in this village. Like that the king make the rule. Then still now 300 and years after, today also in Kejadli village no one can cut the trees, and no one can hunt the animals also. They follow the elders voice. What is the elders voice? Yes, very good. Agar ber hein to hum hein. Yes, very good yours. Then, what is mean by Chipko movement? Before that, we know very well Rajasthan is the desert place. Do you know in Rajasthan the Kejadli village only the green place. Okay, and the next one is Chipko movement. Do you know what is meant by Chipko movement? Yes, the Amrita life is called Chipko movement. Okay, Chipko movement is a people movement to save forest. It was called Chipko because the peoples refused to allow the trees to be cut down by hugging them. Okay, Chipko movement is called Amrita's life. Okay, the next one is complete your bookwork page number 35, 36, 37. You have to write about one tree. Okay, the next one is which is the tallest tree in the world? Do you know? Yes, very good. Hyperion, the tallest tree in the world. Okay, it's reached 379 feet tall. Then, at, approximately, its age is 700 to 800 years old. Oh my god. The next one is it is the oldest tree in the world. Okay, see the beautiful tree in the world. The rainbow eucalyptus is the most beautiful tree in the world. Okay, see this stem. This had combination of colors. That's why we are say it's the most beautiful tree in the world. Okay, next one is most useful tree. Which is the most useful tree in the world? Yes, what's this? Very good. In our India, we are say this tree name is super drumstick tree. But in our all over world, this tree name is Moringa oleifera. Okay. What is the uses of Moringa oleifera means? It's regulate the cholesterol levels, blood pressure levels, then blood sugar levels. Listen carefully. Then it prevents the cancer, then it promotes weight loss, then it's good for our teeth and bones. Okay, every day in this situation, in this COVID-19, we are affected by COVID-19. In this situation, you have to eat more moringa leaves. Okay, it's good for our health. Okay, the next one is dangerous tree. Do you know which is the dangerous tree in the world? Yes, this tree name is manchinal tree. Okay, manchinal tree. See this fruit. The fruit is called death apples. If we eat this fruit means definitely we will face death. Okay, not only this fruit, this leaves, this box, then the all parts of trees also too harmful, then it has more toxic. Okay, the next one is what is your age? Yes, your age is maximum 9 to 10 years. Okay, how you calculate the trees years? Yes, I will teach you. Okay, if we want to calculate the tree age means we have to count the circles, rings of the tree. Okay, the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Watch clearly. I put the number in correct or not. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Very good. This tree age is 12 years old. Very good years. The next one is in your home, if your home had any trees, any cutter tree means you have to calculate the age of trees. Okay, the next one is, this is your project work. Okay, you have to draw one Indian map, then you have to find the Rajasthan state and color it, and you have to take a picture and send it in our group. Okay, dears. The next one is, this is for your speaking. Okay, you should speak about your favorite tree. Whatever trees you can select, then you have to take a video and send it in our group. If the best video, best performance, I will give the gift for you. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, the next one is, this is for your reading practice. The Kejali tree is found mainly in desert areas. It can grow without much water. Okay, it can grow without much water. Its bark is used for medicines. Okay, people's peoples cook and eat its fruits. Its food is such that it will not be affected by insects. Animals in this area eat the leaves of the kejali, and children like you play in its shade. Okay, thank you.